Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again. In today's videos, I'm going to teach you 5 words you should know. In Spanish, it sounds much better, more fluent. You need to know these 5 other words or these other connections that we use every single day. So, don't forget to leave your comment and your like. Subscribe to my channel. Let's go. In Colombia, we use pues. What do you mean pues and how we use pues? Well, when you say pues, it could be like but, or it means well. Not all the time. It depends how do you use, but that is every time we use that. Pues. Example, pues no sé. It means well, I don't know. So that's the first one. Number 2, we use o sea. O sea means like so. Example, o sea que tú eres profesor. It means so you are a teacher, right? That's how we use o sea. But we can use in a different context too. Like, o sea que yo estoy loco. Like, it means so I'm crazy. Well, okay. It's like o sea que, it's like we use that word all the time too. That's the second one. Número 3, number 3 is bueno. Todos conocemos. Everybody knows what it means. Good. But we don't use that only to say good. We use that word to start a conversation too. Also, when we say, all right, let's go. In Spanish, we say, bueno, vamos a ver qué pasa. It's like, all right, let's go to see. You know, como bueno, okay, okay, let's go to see. That's how we use the bueno. This is very common in our Spanish. Other ones, this is very important in Spanish to use that. It's like, entonces. So depends how we use the example. I can say, then where are we going? Like, so what? Or like then what? So simple. Es como entonces, ¿a dónde vamos? Like, entonces, tú y yo qué? Then you and me what? Like, so you and me what? Como tú y yo qué? ¿Qué pasa? Like, you know, es entonces. Así lo usamos. Okay, I know I say 5, but I have a lot on my mind. And I have some right here because if I know I can just forget about it. So I just write it right here, okay? So other one is mano. When we say mano, it means this. But when we say mano, when we're speaking with someone, talking with someone, it means bro. Sa, bro, like, como es mano? Bien o qué mano? It means like, bro, you okay? Sa, bro, like, como, ¿qué pasa, mano? It could be in a context, like, when you mad, you say, what's up? What's up, bro? Fuck is wrong with you? But in Spanish, we say, mano, ¿cuál es el evento? ¿Cuál es el evento, mano? So, what's up? Es muy común en Colombia decir mano o huevón. Pero nosotros, we don't say huevón. It don't mean you have big, you know? No. Huevón is like, it is the translate. It means that, sadly. You have big balls. But when we say huevón, it means bro also. Like, no, huevón. No, bro, you know. No, weón. No, bro, you know. It's the man. Like it's the same thing. You know, that's how we use that word. So, I hope you like the video. I've been doing my best follow me and subscribe to my channel. And okay, as you know, that's it today. Thank you. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. It's very important for my community. And I will keep posting videos. It's just that I've been really busy. I haven't had a lot of time to do that. But I'm going to do my best. My next video gonna be better. So don't listen to any of my videos. I'm going to be posting to help you with your Spanish. Because I'm focusing on Spanish when we speak. Not when you write, when you go to school, no. Speak on the street, you know. I'm a young guy, I know a lot of vocabulary. I'm always learning another language, so I think I can help you a lot. Thank you.